This homemade garlic aioli you can make in just 5 minutes. A rich, lively, delicious sauce that will elevate any dish. And a small amount is an excellent source of healthy fat for energy, brain growth, and metabolic function. The secret to making a fabulous aioli is an immersion blender, or as I like to call it, my magic wand, because it will magically combine ingredients into something creamy, and it will stay that way, never separating later in the refrigerator. You'll also need an immersion jar where the head of the blender fits snug for a proper immersion. You'll need a knife to cut your lemon and a juicer to squeeze your lemon. That's it. The ingredients are just as simple, and like all my sauces, we follow the same formula to help make life in the kitchen easier. I use the acronym FAHSS. Kinda sounds like sauce. From our healthy fat category, your favorite non-hydrogenated oil, and an egg without hormones and from pasture-raised livestock. Fruity extra virgin olive oil or neutral avocado oil can be a treat, but rightly so. They're heart healthy and shown to reduce inflammation and help protect against disease. From our acid category for Brightness and Tang, first, the juice from a fresh lemon. Start by rolling to get more juice when squeezing. When combined with the rich, creamy oil, acid helps balance the flavors. Acids like lemon add mouth-watering flavor to food by providing a sour or tangy taste that actually stimulates the taste buds. You can see here the natural separation of fat and acid in the jar, which is why our immersion blender is essential for combining our ingredients. Our second acid layers are champagne vinegar for an added splash of brightness. You can experiment with your favorite vinegar. And tang with Dijon or stone ground mustard. H, by the way, is for herbs, and they're always optional. I didn't use them here, but mint, dill, or basil are a great choice. From our sweet and spice category, raw local honey, just a small amount for a touch of sweetness, but also rich in healthy plant compounds that can help with seasonal allergies. The amazing garlic with compounds that can help support our immune system. To prep your garlic, simply snap off a clove, a knife can come in handy, cut off the tip, and then smash with the flat surface of your knife, being sure to keep your fingers clear. Simply peel and then plop into the jar. I always have a head of garlic on hand as a pantry staple. And S in our FAHSS list of ingredients is salt, to help bring everything to life. Salt is the sparkle in our food, and kosher is my go-to. There you have it. Simple, wholesome ingredients. No preservatives, no additives, no harm. And now our magic wand, the immersion blender. Place your stick blender in the jar and press it firmly to the bottom, being sure to cover both the egg and the garlic. Turn it on and keep it pressed against the bottom of the jar for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the ingredients start to emulsify and thicken, slowly move the stick blender up and down to fully combine the ingredients. This easy 5-minute homemade garlic aioli will elevate any dish, and you can easily adapt with any fresh herbs. You can call it creamy vinaigrette, aioli dressing, or my husband likes to call it salad cream. Either way, it's a lively, rich adaptation of my mighty 5-Minute Mayo. This sauce is a weekly staple in our home. We hope it becomes a ritual in your home too. Enjoy.